I don't think it's a YouTube video on this channel without Jaren and the Red Bull. It's straight facts. What's up, you guys?
It's warm.
Is it?
I'm a little upset.
Yikes. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the last video. We're just gonna like... Well, you know what? You can deal with the RSL. Even though it's not gonna happen anymore.
March 20th!
You mean May 10th? Hopefully you guys enjoyed the last video. It was a little different, so actually it's uploading the day I'm filming this, so I don't know how it did, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then I guess you'll see more of them on the channel. It's another car spotting day here in Utah. A little bit of a surprise for you. I hinted at it last video. I got a small smidge in there, but this one's a different color. So we'll see if you guys can figure it out. This one's a little excited as he's a fanboy. So as you can tell, we're obviously not in my car for this time, for once. But yeah, make sure that you guys are. I'm going to put this disclaimer in every video. Yes, we're going out while the whole COVID-19 crap is going on. Stay safe, practice social distancing, all that crap. I have to put it in here due to YouTube guidelines, or I'm gonna get whatever you want to call it. I want to get in trouble from YouTube.
Some bullshit.
So we're gonna go. Just make sure we're staying safe. Neither of us are sick, and we're not putting anybody out to go straight, so we can find a McDick's.
I mean, I'm thinking just find a McDick's in the city. Like, I'm hungry, but I want to see.
Alright. Just stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. Practice social distancing, and if you're feeling sick, stay home, please.
Yeah, please, God.
So, we'll roll up to first place and go from there. I think we know the next mod to the Jetta. Pink wheels.
I can't see it because it's locked away, man. I can only get this close. Ah! Ah!
This is what he's talking about. The first SVJ in Utah. I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen because I was able to come. This one's been here for about a week. I was able to come last week, get up close and personal with it.
Motherfucker,
So I'm gonna throw some pictures up here on the screen about somewhere here or whatever. But there's actually two here. Fun fact, there's actually two. They have a yellow one. It's currently being worked on, should be out on the showroom this week. So that'll probably be on the end of this video or later because it's gonna be a different day. But obviously they have the SVJ here. If you look inside, you know, they have their F430 in the back. They've got the R8 up on the thing. They've got another 458 in the corner. And then they've got their two beauties out here in their 488 and the 2005-6 Ford GT. Up there they've got a 911 Turbo S, GT3 RS, a Demon 825 horsepower, another GT3 right there. We'll get some shots for you, and then I think we're gonna go. Should we go see what Makes and Models has today? All right. The things we do, standing out here, taking pictures. The grind. New 488 piece. So I'm trying to get it so that it doesn't look bad on carbon fiber. Black and red. And if you come right there to the side, you got no real fit. It's so pretty. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Shout out to everybody at all the dealerships. Everybody's being super kind. Obviously, everybody's being super careful with COVID-19 going around. There was that gorgeous Aventador. Obviously, his dream, my dream being the pista that was there as well. God, we got a 2-for-1, bro. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to try, and now that we're getting into better weather, we're going to try to start doing more outdoors. You know, we'll try to start doing more with cars, outdoors, not in as much.
The coronavirus don't kill us all.
That's true. As long as we're, you know,
holy
shit, apparently there's now 5 cops. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you smash that like button. If you guys aren't already, subscribe down below for weekly videos. We are posting weekly on Mondays now. Yeah, I think given that, no, you cannot go straight, so I would go left.
Okay.
Given that, I think we'll call it a day, and I guess we'll see you guys next time. Psych, you thought this video was over. It's not. I'm going to keep it really short, like less than a minute, because I tend to ramble on. I apologize for the white spot right here. My phone, I cracked it the other day, and yeah, it might have cracked the camera a little bit. So we're gonna have a little bit of a white space, but you guys will have to deal with it for 30 seconds. Other than that, it'll be the back camera. I'm going up back to Lux. I want to go see a couple cars they have. Obviously, I'll include that after this. But the main thing I wanted to add into this is making sure that you guys know that uploads are gonna be a little sketchy for the next, God, I don't know how long, man. This coronavirus, it's not something to fuck with. It's not something to mess with. I'm going to try to produce content, you know, every time I go out. Try to practice that, obviously for everybody, try to practice that social distancing. Try to practice, make sure we're staying safe. So I'm going to do my bestest to be able to get some content out to you guys while being safe on my part, whether that be car reviews of my cars, like as you can probably hear, I'm in the Jag right now, do a video with that, whether we go do a cruise or something where we're all spaced, but yet we're out. I'm going to try to produce content, but if I miss for a week, that's why. So hopefully everybody's staying safe. I think I mentioned that at the beginning of this video. This is a different day, so that's why I don't fully remember. But make sure we're staying safe, make sure you're staying healthy, and we'll get through this together. So thank you guys for being patient with me, and I hope you enjoy.